talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your pocket option app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on profile, uh, or you click here on trade or trade in here. Just click here on trade in here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You come here to Forex M3 for here for real account and here for demo account. So here can you select it in this list, and here Forex M3 5 here for real account and here for demo account. Can you select it? I'm going to click here, uh, here Forex M3 4. It's going to show for you like this here. Just begin to open with you here, and like you see now, it's going to show for us like this here when you change it. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.